This is a 1970 Honda Z50 that I just got, and I'm over at Doug's garage, and I'm here because he's going to be helping me put this thing back together. I got some parts over here and over there, but I brought it over to his shop because this guy knows how to build these things. Let me give you a little tour of his shop. So basically, Doug goes and finds these, and they are this kind of condition usually when he finds them. And just move over here into his shop. He will break these things down. Here's one he's working on now. Look at this motor. Okay, he's going to be going through that. There's a bunch of parts down here in this box. He'll break them down. Here's some frames of other ones he's working on. He breaks these all the way. Every bolt, every nut, every piece comes apart. These are rims that are split, powder coated. Here's some hubs ready to go. Cases sandblasted, looking real good. Or cases, side covers. There's a bike behind there ready. He's next. He's got one over here. That one's going to be broken down too at some point. But basically, going from what this bike looks like to, here's another one he's working on. Here are the pieces that have come back from powder coating. Swing arm. Here's a wheel that's been put together. Here's a frame of one. All powder coated. Here's the motor. It's pretty much back together, ready for assembly. Other pieces, front wheel. And when he gets done with these, they look like this. Virtually brand new. They're practically factory fresh looking bikes. Get a little detail here. Just show you kind of the level of detail it goes through. The hard work that they put into these things, making them look so good. I mean, yeah, so I'm going to be in good hands putting my little Z50 back together. And I mean, they try to locate every single part, every piece that they can to make them as factory fresh as possible. In fact, let's go over here. He's got some other ones outside. Here's one here. Oh, son's. These are ready for delivery. He's got people picking these up. But look at this guy. It's in horrible lighting. Looks way better in real life than on camera here, but just, yeah, really cool. Right? Here's another one. Look at this one. This is kind of the color scheme that the one I've picked up looks like. The red and white. That's a 1968. Here's a rare piece. This is significant to the 1968. That piece in the exhaust. He said it took him forever to find that. These air cleaners are really hard to find. What else? Oh, the ignition system. Toggle switch. That's also on the 68 only. After that they went to ignition system with a key. Alright, I'm here with Doug. What's happening, Doug? Thanks for your help on putting this thing together with me.
Not a problem.
So what are some key features on the 68 you were pointing out besides the ignition? You told me the toggle switch.
Key features is the 68 has steel fenders. They're painted steel fenders.
Yeah.
And then also they have no headlight brackets.
Oh yeah, yep, that's clean.
No headlight brackets. And they also have just a one wire, ignition coil underneath the stator.
Yep, gotcha.
Where your other models will all have a plug that comes up with 3 wires that comes out, and they'll have an ignition coil and a lighting coil. So, and then also on a 68 there's no chain guard.
Oh yeah, yep.
Yep. And then once again steel fenders.
And then the white grips you said?
Yeah, white grips and white handbrakes.
Oh yeah, oh wow.
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh, that's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
So as you can see, yeah.
Also on a 1968.
Right.
Another big difference.
Oh yeah,
on the muffler.
Yeah, showing them this thing.
It has just a little diffuser back here that's flush. It doesn't have the long 3-inch chrome diffuser or stinger that comes out.
Right.
It'll be flush along with that.
Yeah, I was going through that and showing them. Hey Doug, you got a wall of parts over here.
Yeah, I do.
What's-
I got tubs and I got walls.
What's the story with all the... You have like an actual inventory
Yeah.
of parts over here.
Yeah, and try to keep everything straight's a real problem. You know, but over here I keep all the motors. The 3 motors up there are ones that are ready to start getting the heads and the cylinders done. I've checked everything else over on them, so the ones down below have not been broke down yet, or this one. The rest of it's brand new parts in the boxes usually, and then up above is new tires, because you can get a better deal when you order them in bulk.
Right.
And then I've got the old gas tanks. I've got probably 7 or 8 old gas tanks,
Yeah.
originals.
So you can see why I've resourced Doug to come for help on my Z50 for sure.
You don't throw the old parts away.
Yeah, you never know.
You never know what you're going to need. And that's all the brand new powder coated hubs.
Right.
Hubs and rims.
Yep.
That's what they look like when they come back. And another big suggestion is when you powder coat those, just go ahead and buy the new bolts, or else have the bolts re-zinced. But when you have these hubs done, just get new bearings for them. They're only like 20 bucks for a full set of 4,
Right.
for front and rear. And they're easy to put in, easy to install. And then you put your new seal on top, and it just makes everything so much better.
Yeah, I've been coming over here Wednesdays to get some help from Doug. These guys get together. Terry's here.
Yeah.
What's happening, dude? Terry, this is Terry's CT70. They just got pretty much all put together. And yeah, Wednesday nights everybody gets together with, looks like new parts, exhaust. It's going to be going on.
Sweet. Get 5
Also
grand.
got service manual ready to go here.
Well, I'll get 4750.
So got that. Not only do I have the service manual for the
on that one.
50,
47.
come over here to the parts service manuals for Honda, and yeah, pretty much whatever you can think of, they've got them covered. He does other bikes too, but yeah, we got his service manuals handled. So the first thing we're going to be working on here is getting this wiring. We got some stuff not connected, and someone who can help with that, has done some things like that before, is Jerry. What's up, Jerry?
Not too much.
Oh, and Terry's here. So Wednesday nights, everybody comes over and works on bikes, and Jerry is going to help with electrical. So we're going to kind of set up the kill switch here and figure out where that is, so we can at least, if we put the tank on, fire it up, we'll be able to turn it off as well. So we put the tank on,
Let's see if we get some gas.
put some fuel in here.
Should
Ooh, yeah.
There it goes.
Oh yeah.
It should stop in a little bit. Okay.
Yeah, it was going to flow until the float stopped it. So.
Are we in the on position or off position?
I don't know which was up.
I think up was on, right?
I thought so.
Let's check that. See about put that.
Yeah, that's a success. We just put a bunch of air in the tire. It's going flat. We both put air in that one. It's leaking. Just gonna go take it up the street to see if it goes through the gears. I'm gonna hand this off to Jerry.
No brakes.
And no brakes.
No brakes. We don't need stinking brakes. Switch down to run.
All right, I'll probably start it down here at the end of the driveway.
Oh, start right there. First kick start. Come on.
Oh, baby, the power.
Put it in gear. You can't walk it all the way. We have power. Until the tire goes flat. It's flat. Yeah, it's flat. Second gear. Oh, is it? You're right. You're right. Gotcha. It's not a CBR, okay?
Well, in the meantime, we've done this so far. Got the wheels off because we're going to get these hubs. These are two pieces, two halves. They get bolted together, but they're a real pain to get apart. Terry's over here working on this one. He's got the vise down here. He's trying to break the bead. And he's made success on that. Now he's just ratcheting these bolts apart to break it in half. So, moving along. The hard part's out of the way. We got it running. So that's good.
Yeah. Took a perfectly good motorbike and tore it all apart once we got it running. So.
Yeah. So there we go. Leave it at that for this part one of this 1970 Honda Z50. Thanks everybody for stopping and checking out these videos. I appreciate it. See you all on the next one.